Hello everyone, I'm Jeremy Holliday and I'm presenting the Human Resource Frame for AEP 855 Educational Leadership. To begin, we watched a video on the Human Resource Frame of Leadership according to Bowman and Deal. And within this frame of leadership, the organization is viewed as a family, and specific focuses within this include skills, attitudes, teamwork, and communications. The leader within this group is to serve as a catalyst and a servant, and ultimately seeking to align the organization and human needs in order to promote what's best for both the organization and individuals within this organization. My personal view of the structure of the human resource frame, as you can see, I put the principal at the top. And I had an arrow coming down to the students. My role as a principal, or any principal, should be to keep the students' needs in mind. Every decision should be made with the students' end goal. Is this going to benefit the students or not? You can see then that below the students I've got a layer, and this layer includes the custodians, office staff, teachers, paraprofessionals, cooks, and maintenance personnel. My personal opinion is that each of these individuals that work within my school, the goal is to support the students. How are they going to be supported? Are the relationships with these staff members, are they going to be what's best for students? When I'm looking at it through that lens, it makes it really simple to view someone who is making choices that are impacting students in a negative light, to see that, hey, maybe they're not in alignment with our goals as an organization, and maybe they need to be let go. You can see my bottom tier there consists of community, parents, and alumni. I realize that parents could definitely fit up in that second tier, and I really debated about putting them up there, but I wanted to include just school personnel, because school personnel is who I am dealing with on the day-to-day. Not to say I'm not going to deal with parents on the day-to-day. I am, but is it going to be the consistent parent every single time? Most likely not. Most likely it's going to be this parent might talk to me about something here, this parent might talk to me about something here. The parents' views, alumni views, community views, they're all extremely important, and I value them, but they're, in my opinion, they're not going to be as important as that second tier there. I'm going to take what they give me and I'll use it to evaluate our program and to think about what can be better. But I have arrows pointing from the community, parents, and alumni up to my school staff, because my school staff needs to feel the support from these three areas. I think that when school staff feels this support, it then improves their ability to impact the students in a positive light. So that's why I've placed the bottom tier with arrows pointing up to it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed learning from you all this semester, and I am excited to go look more in detail at some of your human resource frames. So thanks for watching, and have a great rest of your summer.